Now let's talk about different types of paste. I generate a random text equal rand, and I select my text, give some format to my selected text, something like that. Let's add _2. Alright. And I also select part of my first paragraph and change the color to be obvious, something like blue, and copy entire paragraph. Select it. I could right click and choose copy, or Control or Command C, or choose from clipboard and click here. By right clicking and pasting, or Control or Command V, you could simply paste everything with all default format. But make sure you're in the Home tab and the Clipboard section. We have several types of paste. If I open that, we have paste options. First one, it is keep source formatting, which by default also if you press Ctrl or Command V, it will be work like that. It is obvious everything, the content and format will come. Next one is merge formatting. Bring your content, but it will apply your destination format to your pasted text. Next one is picture, which means paste as a picture. This is not text anymore. If I, for example, change the wrap, let's say in front of text, you see it is a text and it has transparency by default, which you could change the transparency values, you could apply different types of styles, etc. Let me delete that. And the last one is here, keep text only, which means won't bring any format, any hyperlink or metadata. It is useful especially when you're bringing your text from other sources, such as your web browser. Allow me to bring sample text. I open my browser. In my browser, as an example, I will select the text here, right click and copy text. On the Microsoft Word, again, my cursor is here. On the paste, look at here. Now we have 3 types, not 4. So totally depends on your source. Here we have keep formatting, which everything it is coming, merge formatting, and finally keep text only. The highlight is not applied, but it is larger than regular, bold and underlined. If I do that again here, paste and keep text only, also known as plain text, it will only bring your content. But note that we have more different types of paste, which I will mention in the next video.